Do you also face the similar issue? Then watch this video till the end. Because today I will tell you how to use any PDF on an interactive flat panel. So do not skip this video because I have a hidden trick for all of you in the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to Studio by EduScores. This is Nancy Punjabi, and in this video I will address a common issue which is faced by a lot of teachers. Whenever you're working on any PDF on an Android version, you get two options. Either you can open it on a WPS software and then start annotation, or you can open it in a writing software. Now, whenever you're opting to open it in a writing software, the image which will appear is quite smaller. I'll show you the image you'll get when you import a PDF. Usually, whenever you import a PDF, this is the size and format you get in a usual basis. Now, usually you get this size and format when you import a PDF. Here, by opening it into a writing software, you get two options again. Either you can start annotation with it as it is opened and as it is visible to you, or you can adjust the size of every slide simultaneously. Whether it is 7 slides or 17 slides, you have to do this process. But this is not a solution. Initially, this whole process is very time consuming, and also this isn't practically possible while you're teaching a class or you're in between of a class. When you are free-handedly zooming in and zooming out and adjusting the size and width of every slide simultaneously, and then start with annotation and then you begin teaching, this isn't practically possible as I told you. Let me explain it to you in a very simplified way. Till now, we used to open the image in a smaller screen, so the size of the image was adjusted accordingly. Now, we are opening the image in a bigger panel, the size of this panel for example, so the resolution of the image also has to be increased and adjusted to this size. There are a couple of options where you can increase the resolution, and some of which are paid, some of which will be unpaid, or simply debunking all of these processes and all of these softwares. What you can do is you can adjust the resolution in the PowerPoint software itself. Suppose if I'm working on a PowerPoint, how can I adjust the resolution of my PDF then? Watch this process, do not skip this part because this is the main highlighting part of the video. We'll start with opening a blank PPT, then go to design. There you'll see an option called slide size. After that, by going to custom, after selecting the option custom, you'll see height and width. Now, in the next step, you have to adjust the height around 60 and width about 107. You can adjust it according to your panel. This is just approximate numbers according to my PDF and my screen. Now, following the same steps, I myself have created a PDF. I'll quickly give you guys a review of the PDF I have created, and I myself have adjusted the resolution of the images. Voila! This is what you will receive after you have adjusted the resolution of your PDF. What I did is I followed the same procedure and the same steps. It is hardly a process of 2 to 3 minutes. After completing the steps, your image will look something like this and would be adjusted into your panel. Through this, you can adjust any resolution of any image or any PDF. Believe me, follow this process and a lot of your energy would be saved, and the productive energy will be invested directly to the students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your other teacher friends and tell them how they can save a lot of time. This panel here is also implemented by the team EduSquads. If you want your studio to look something like this and with your customization, You can contact us on the number mentioned below and our team will revert you shortly. Till then, bye-bye, take care.